This is Chubby by Beer Can Bushcraft. That's the bidding on it. It's made out of a chub. Everything's crazy serrated and it likes to drop stuff. So to try to get in, just gonna use a Lawlox tool, turning tool and 39 thousandths, and then a Moki Standard Slim. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, nothing on 1, something on 2, 3, 4, nothing on 5 yet, something at 6, so something out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So nothing on 1, nothing on 2, nothing on 3, something out of 4, something out of 5, 1, 2, 3, and it opens. So yeah, like I said, everything in there is crazy serrated, and the pins that are in it, they make it so everything drops. So you just kind of got to gradually just work your way up, 1 through 6, 1 through 6, 1 through 6, just pushing them a little bit higher until you get them all the way above the shear line. But that's Chubby by Beer Can Bushcraft.